Hi everyone, I'm here with Kristy Brons and Jennifer Inglis, our two recruitment officers, and we're here to talk about the open house. Open house is a very important event for College of the Rockies. It's where we showcase our programs and the services we offer students. And of course, normally it would be a live event. This time we're doing it as a virtual event, Saturday, February 27th, 10 to 1. But can you tell me how it's going to change from most years to this year?
Yeah, so normally we're here in the gym and it's hustling and bustling, and we have all of our tables set up with the individual programs and services spread out throughout the gymnasium. But this year we're doing it all virtually. So each of our programs and services have their own sessions set up. It's not linear, so people can choose their own adventure, attend different sessions that interest them, and they can just hop around.
So all of our program areas have sessions, and then our services have sessions as well. So things like financial aid, residents, and Kristy and I are doing sessions as well. We'll walk you through how to apply to the college. We're going to have a drop-in session, and we also have a student panel session planned as well. So people can go to the college website, www.cotr.ca. The open house is right there at the top of the banner. They can click on that and they can pre-register for the event. When you pre-register, you're entered to win a $700 tuition voucher, which is really awesome. And our first 100 registers will also get a College of the Rockies swag bag. So that's great. Anything else, Kristy?
Not that I can think of. Just looking forward to everybody coming and hanging out with us on Saturday.
Well, thanks a lot, Jennifer and Kristy, and thanks to everybody who's put work into making this possible. And reminder, tune into the website to see all that's going on Saturday the 27th.